Hi guys, this is Abu again. I'm in my hometown now, which is Turkmenistan, and I will do some kind of sightseeing in city center today. So I will record some videos for you. So see you in the city center. During this video, I will just walk. So that's why I will grab some kind of snack on my way to eat. So let's go there. On my way, I came here. There are guys who gather and play chess in here. I saw them a lot. Still heading there. We will turn from this road and we will get there. Yes, this place we finally arrived. Salam. Ja, nanamka. Burksokkerijn. Yes, this is what I get. This is meat and traditional Turkmen kind of bread. So it's perfect snack. Now we are heading to get some drink. Yes. Yes, this is Soviet War Memorial. Turkmenistan was in Soviet Union country, so was in Soviet Union. So we were into the Second World War between these states, 1941 and 1945, and this is the symbol of that. Yes. Yeah. Yes, now we are in city center. This is the city center. It's also kind of bazaar in here. Yeah, heading to the a little bit up. Yes, this is kind of top. We've just came from here. So we will try to up here, then we will head to this road and go to this mosque in here. Then we will go this part of the city to go to the church. On my way to top, I will grab another snack from somewhere here. I'll get sompa with spinach, of course, and now heading to that dome. Finally, we are in Dome, and this is kind of small city view. Ooh, yes, and now we will head to this side of the city. This is Ruhiyat Palace, this is library, this is theater, and this is hotel, and this is mosque. This is another side view of the city. Just get out and now heading to the mosque. This is Ruhiyat Palace. This is library, and this is theater. Now we're heading to the mosque. Yes, this is library. You will see this sign a lot in Turkmenistan because it's Selçuk Empire sign. Yes, this is the biggest mosque of Mar city. So in this part you can clean yourself and you can find the level C, and we will head from here and enter from this door. There is something different in Turkmen mosque, which you can wear this kind of long dress when you enter to the mosque, and you can wear like this traditional hats when you are praying. We get out from the mosque, and this is the museum. I'll again get into here and take this side of the city, which you will see some kind of another view. Yes. This is the museum. The view which I mentioned. A little bit view, not that much, but better for nothing. Better than nothing. Yes, this is also a hospital. I think, yes, now you can see it. Yes, now we will go back again to go to the church. Yes. Now we're heading to this side.
Merhaba. Hello.
This is the church. By the way, I have no idea why we have this. We are close to church. This guy is taking his dog out. So let's go. Yes, just arrived to the church. Yes, we are getting out. Guys, this is end of this Turkmenistan vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.